and I realized that this one is freaking crooked. Hey guys, it's Chris. So in today's video, I am finally going to be sharing with you my entire earlobe repair surgery experience. I have some vlog footage on the way to the surgery, immediately post-op, a little bit of the healing process, and even the re-piercing process. So stay tuned for that. But when I was getting ready to get the surgery, I knew that when I got my brand new lobes, I would need some good quality jewelry to put back into them, which leads us to the sponsor of today's video, Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand. They make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, everything you could possibly need. You probably have actually seen their ads on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, but they make high quality, affordable jewelry pieces. They are tarnish proof, humidity proof. They test the jewelry to make sure that they are allergy friendly. They start at $39, and Ana Luisa has actually been on my radar for a while. I had a few of their pieces already in my wants folder on my laptop, so when they reached out, it was God's perfect timing because it was time to make that purchase. Also, on top of making high quality jewelry, they are carbon neutral, they are plastic free, they have cute packaging, they have lots of designs to choose from. They ship for free in the US, and they do ship internationally for a fee. Plus, on top of all of that, they have a 2-year warranty, and they have free returns or exchanges in the US, I believe. So if you're unsatisfied for any reason, so it's virtually risk-free. You have nothing to lose. Let me show you guys what I got. So the first things first, y'all know, I don't know if you've noticed, maybe you haven't noticed, I love hoops. I love a good hoop. I love a nice big hoop for going out. But you know, for every day, I went with these hoops here. Let me zoom you in. These hoops here are called Cuidado, which means caution in Spanish, if I'm not mistaken. I also went with this necklace here. And what I love about the necklace, let me show you. What I really love about this necklace is how easy it is to clasp. What I really love about this necklace is how easy it is to clasp it on and off like that. The whole part is big enough so like if you don't need help, you can just put it on your own. I also ended up going with these hoops here. Hey, they actually match my wedding band, as you can see. But these are perfect for every day, cute and fun. I wear these even to the gym sometimes, just when I want to look a little bit more put together. Best of all, their packaging is so cute. Each piece of jewelry comes with its own little container. So this is perfect for travel. It's got little magnets on it here, so it will snap shut. This will fit right into your purse, your suitcase, or even your book bag. So they did include a 20% off coupon code for my viewers down below, so check the description box for that. And now, without further ado, let's jump into the surgery. All right, anyway, so let's try this again. So we're on the way.
Oh, you didn't hit record?
I did hit record, but I'm gonna film it again because I just didn't say all I wanted to say. But I feel very relaxed. I took the Xanax 40 about 40 minutes ago, and it's doing its job. I feel very relaxed. I wouldn't say that I'm sleepy per se, but if I close my eyes, I would definitely go to sleep and just be relaxed. So I'm just ready to get there, get this over with, and come on back home. I'm glad that I did take the rest of the day off because I think I feel a little too relaxed to be working and having to think through the things I need to think through while I'm working. So it's just gonna be a nice, relaxing day. These are my earlobes. This is the left one. Still kind of big. I can fit a Q-tip through there definitely. And here's the other one. I don't even know if you can see that, but yeah. You see? Do you want to see that? This is it immediately post-op. Alright, so I'm back from the surgery. I figured I'd show you when I got home in better lighting. But this is what, this is what it's looking like. So yeah, it looks way better. Everything went way better than I thought it would. I didn't feel any pain except for when they injected the needle to numb everything. I think actually right now some of the feeling is coming back. It is 11:59 here, but it was like 10:49 when I left. I arrived there at 9, so you know, I had to through all the pre-stuff and peeing in a cup and all that good stuff, getting my gown and stuff on. That didn't take very long at all. So I'll go back in a week and have my stitches removed. I cannot get this wet at all, so I can't even shower for another 24 hours. So I'll be waiting for that. But it went well. Hey you guys, so this is what my earlobes are looking like. It's day 2 after the surgery. This is the front right earlobe here. Here is the front left earlobe. I was finally able to wash the wounds and clean it. I don't know how this is gonna work. I hope you can see. Hope you can see something. But yeah, I'm very surprised. So my first night of sleeping on the earlobes was fine. I was more paranoid, but there was virtually no pain. If anything, they're just itchy. They're itchy, and I don't get my stitches out until next Monday, but that's okay. But I am so surprised at how painless this has been. Like, I thought I could feel the feeling coming back in my ear yesterday evening. Well, I guess there is, because I can literally feel it. But I was expecting way more pain than this. And at the consultation, I'm pretty sure she said that we were gonna cut them in half and then sew them back together, which is why I was a little more anxious than I think I would have been had I known that this is what would happen. So she didn't cut them in half. She just made a new wound, sewed them back together, and then that's that. But this has been virtually pain-free. They are a little bit swollen, so I'm gonna get an ice pack and ice them down. But so far, so good. This is way better than I could have expected. All right, so you can kiss these stitches goodbye. I'm about to go to my appointment to get them removed. And I'm ready because they're itchy and they're annoying and it's time for them to go. Y'all, so I woke up this morning and I was looking at the piercings because I have, I was looking at the piercings now that I have my hair up so I can kind of see how even things are. And I realized that this one is freaking crooked. And I know you're like, oh, that's so trivial, but look, this one was down too low. This is too close to the earlobe at the bottom. It should have been pierced a little bit higher. And this placement is perfect. And I know maybe some of you are thinking like that's very nitpicky, but no, because actually these piercings are crooked and this one happens to be too close to this side. This one is okay. And so maybe that's why I'm like cognizant of it. And I can tell when I tried to put in like dangly earrings or like studs in this one, like it's not just a small, you know, trivial difference. So I'm gonna include the footage that I sent to the surgeon, but it's gonna have to get re-pierced. I'm looking at the piercing now that it's, the swelling has gone down a little bit, and this placement I do like, but this one, it seems like it's a little bit low, and I know I'll hold it back so maybe you can see what I mean, but like this one, I'm feeling like maybe should have been pierced a little bit higher, like slightly higher, because like this one will be fine because it's like right there in the center of the lobe, but like this one is kind of close to the edge. So after that, I ended up taking out the one earring piercing and letting that heal, and then a few weeks later I went back to have it re-pierced. So I think I got it pierced at the start of February, took it out, let it heal, and then on March 3rd I went back to get it re-pierced again. All right, so it is 8:28. I had time to get downstairs and everything, but this is much better. I feel like it's the perfect placement and it matches with my other ear and I am pleased. All right, so after that I was satisfied. You're supposed to let 6 to 7 weeks pass before inserting earrings into the piercing or changing them out, which is what I tried to do. And here we are today. I'm satisfied and happy with my results. I would do it all over again had I stretched my earlobes like that before, but no regrets. I hope I was thorough in explaining everything. If there's anything that I left out or if you have any additional questions about the surgery process, leave it down below in the comment section. And again, thank you to today's sponsor for Ana Luisa. Don't forget to check out my description box for that 20% off coupon code and get yourself something nice. Treat yourself. As for always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.